Hi guys, welcome back. The day has arrived. The OnePlus 7 along the first time OnePlus 7 Pro model will be launched today. But you do not have to wait for that because we have the actual device itself in flash leaks hands-on by the ICE Universe just 12 hours before the actual event kicked off. So this is all you need to see regarding the OnePlus 7 Pro model. Now first up from the front you can see the OnePlus 7 is totally bezel-less beast, especially with a white background. You can see clearly the level of bezel we have on the top and on the bottom and side. There is a minimum bezel at all. Coming to the front display, there is no notch, no hole at all, but interruption all thanks to the new rising front camera setup and sacrifice indeed, but the look you got in the return is the best on smartphone right now. Now taking a look at the back, the device comes with new color, the new blue color. I'm sure the OnePlus come with a new different name, but the interesting thing is here those three cameras. For the first time you have the triple camera setup in the OnePlus Pro model. Main sensor with 48 megapixel shooter with aperture 1.6 along with 3x zoom lens and a third wide angle lens. You got the LED flash. There is a OnePlus logo. Look at the box. We got the first charger with 30 watt and there is a transparent case cover and other documents. That's all. Look at the about section of OnePlus 7 Pro. This smartphone comes with Snapdragon 855, 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM. There is 48 plus 16 plus 8 megapixel triple camera setup with Fluid AMOLED 6.67 inch display. Smartphone comes with Android 9 Pie with Hydrogen OS 9.5. The model number of this smartphone with GM1913. Beside of that, the OnePlus 7 Pro model along the OnePlus 7 model will use FS 3.0 storage, which make the first phone after the Galaxy Fold to have a 3.0 storage. And this is actually the first phone on the planet come with 3.0, and this smartphone definitely going faster than any current flagship smartphone. Well, if you are someone who tied on budget and you cannot afford the Pro model, then you have the normal OnePlus 7, but you still retain the old design with updates pack at cheaper price, probably around $550, whereas the Pro model cost you around $699, which is again still a lot cheaper than the Apple and the Galaxy smartphone. I cannot wait to get the actual official launch event. So that's all guys, let me know your thought on this smartphone in the comment section below. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.